good manners. Name some of the Allah's blessing. Allah has blessed us
Allah has blessed us
with many of His blessings.
with many of His blessings.
Some of them are
Some of them are
parents,
parents,
brother and sister,
brother and sister,
home,
home,
food,
food,
air in which
air in which
we breathe,
we breathe,
our friends and
our friends, and
everything
everything
that we
that we
ये है वो HAVE जो आपके पास है. What is the best way to thank Allah? The best way to thank Allah
the best way to thank Allah
is the obey
is the obey
Him,
Him,
is the
obey Him,
and do what He has
and do what He has
told us to do.
told us to do.
Why must we thank our parents? We must be thankful
We must be thankful
to our parents
to our parents
taking care of us
taking care of us
with love and
with love and
affection
affection,
and looking after
and looking after
and
and
looking after
looking after
our needs.
our needs.
What should we do to thank our parents? In order to thank
In order to thank
our parents,
our parents,
we should listen
we should listen
to them
to them
and obey them.
and obey them.
We must be kind and
We must be kind and
help them it
help them
help them
them
if
if
they need us.
they need us.